Hello and welcome to another episode of Tech for Good. Today we'll be talking about 3D printing, a technology that's revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to healthcare. 3D printing is reshaping the way we build, create, and even heal. Let's dive in. 3D printing is transforming manufacturing by allowing companies to create complex parts quickly and efficiently. Traditional manufacturing methods require molds and mass production, but with 3D printing, objects can be created on demand. Automotive and aerospace industries are using 3D printing to build lightweight, durable components, reducing material waste and cutting down production times. Companies like GE and Ford are already using this tech to save time and money. But one of the most exciting applications is in healthcare. Scientists are now able to 3D print human tissue, such as ears, skin grafts, and even organs. This could be life-changing for people awaiting transplants. 3D printed prosthetics have also become more affordable and customizable, giving people in developing countries access to advanced medical devices that were once too expensive. 3D printing is also supporting sustainable practices. Companies are exploring how to use recycled materials in the printing process, cutting down on waste. This technology holds the potential to reduce the carbon footprint of entire industries. 3D printing is more than just a manufacturing tool. It's a life-changing technology with endless potential. Stay tuned for more incredible stories of innovation here on Tech for Good. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.